Look at this hype clip that you saw at the beginning of the video. You all know that we love these motivational, high-energy scenes, and we watch them all the time on social media. And you also know that these kinds of scenes get millions of views. And action movies, they get millions of views too. But here's the question. What does this have to do with making money? What exactly are you trying to tell us? The answer is very simple. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create scenes and videos just like that powerful, action-packed clip you saw at the beginning. Yes, exactly like that. But you might say to me, how? I don't know parkour. I don't know action. How am I supposed to film something like that? I'll tell you, my friend, we are living in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we can create videos like this with just one click. And whenever we talk about AI videos, our minds immediately go to the amazing website Higsfield, the platform that is literally sitting on the throne of AI video creation. It supports all AI models, starting from image generation all the way to full video creation. We've already explained this website many times before, starting with the incredible AI influencer tool, where I showed you step by step how to create a character and make it produce videos for social media platforms like Instagram. Then, in another video, we covered the Cinema Studio tool, which creates stunning, high-quality cinematic videos. And if we want to create images, all we have to do is go to the Image tab, and you'll find that it supports all the latest AI image generation models. And if we want to create a video, we simply go to the Video tab, and again, it supports all the powerful AI video models. One of the latest models we explained was the amazing Kling 3. And if we scroll down just a little bit, we'll find a model called Seance 1.5 Pro. This model is specifically designed to create those intense, high-energy videos, just like the one you saw at the beginning of this video. And here's the really exciting part. The reason I wanted to talk to you about this today, there's a new model called Seance 2 that will be available very soon on Higgsfield. So if you want to be among the first people to benefit from this opportunity, go to the description box and the pinned comment, and you'll find that I've left the links to these tools for you there. And in order for us to truly understand the new model that will be available very soon, Seance 2, we first need to understand the previous model, Seance 1.5, so we can clearly see what's new and what has changed. If we go to the older model, we'll find that we can create a video by placing an image in the start frame and another image in the end frame. Then we simply write the prompt here. And the beautiful thing is that this model and the new one both support creating a video using just one short sentence. You don't have to describe the entire scene in extreme detail like we used to do before. Here, you'll also see that it supports videos up to 12 seconds. From here, you choose the video dimensions, and from here, you select the video quality. And yes, it supports 1080p, which is amazing. And in just a little bit, we're going to create some videos together step by step. But first, I want to explain to you what's new in Seance 2. Let me talk to you about something really interesting coming soon from Higsfield, and that's the new model, Seance 2.0. What makes this release exciting is that it clearly reflects where AI video generation is heading right now. We're no longer judging AI videos just by how good a single frame looks. The real question has become, does the video actually hold together over time? Does the motion make sense? Does the camera feel intentional? And this is exactly where Seance 2.0 starts to stand out. From early discussions and previews, it's clear that this model is heavily focused on sequence-level coherence. Instead of producing isolated, impressive clips, it's designed to maintain stability across an entire shot, consistent motion, stable framing, and smoother transitions from beginning to end. That's a huge shift, especially for creators who want to use AI video in real production workflows, not just for quick demos. One of the most talked about aspects of Seance 2.0 is camera movement. The camera behavior feels more deliberate and cinematic. Pans, tracking shots, controlled reveals, rather than random or floaty motion. And that's important, Because believable video doesn't depend only on how subjects move, but on how the camera moves through space. When the camera understands direction and depth, the entire scene instantly feels more cinematic. If we compare this to Seance 1.5, which is currently available on Higsfield, that version already set a solid baseline for short, visually coherent AI video. But Seance 2.0 appears to push further into temporal control. The emphasis is less on raw image quality and more on maintaining lighting, textures, characters, and spatial relationships across longer shots, which is critical if you want to edit, composite, or build layered visuals on top of the generated footage. There's also increasing attention around character and subject consistency, which has always been a limitation for AI video. As creators move towards storytelling, branding, and recurring visual systems, keeping identities stable across motion becomes essential, and Seance 2.0 is frequently mentioned within that expectation. Overall, Seance 2.0 feels less like a flashy one-off generator and more like a workflow-ready cinematic tool. Inside environments like Higsfield, where timing, motion design, and typography matter, this level of stability turns AI video into a foundation you can actually build on. So the excitement around Seance 2.0 isn't about one dramatic leap, it's about direction. It's about AI video finally moving towards structure, control, and true cinematic intent. And honestly, that's where things start to get really interesting. Go right now to the pinned comment and the description so you can be one of the first people to access this model. And now, let's create some videos using Seance 1.5 so we can compare them with videos created using Seance 2. If we go to the current model and write the prompt right here, then later you'll be able to switch the model, and Seance 2 will be available in this list very soon. Here, you choose how many seconds you want your video to be. Then you select the video dimensions and the quality. And here, in the fixed lens option, if you enable it, the scene will stay from one single angle. But normally, scenes that use multiple angles look much better, especially in action movies. So don't activate this option. Down here at the bottom, you can enable this option if you want your video to include sound. And don't forget to upload an image in the start frame. Let's say we upload an image of two people fighting each other with swords. Then we click Generate, and let's watch the result together. As you can see, the result is really impressive using Seance 1.5. So imagine how the result will look with the new model that includes many improvements and refinements. Now let's create another scene, a sporty character doing parkour. I'll upload the image of the person right here. Then I'll write the description of the video I want. After that, I choose the number of seconds, the dimensions, and the quality. And now, let's see the result. The result is also very good, but I can notice some small minor issues that Seance 2 will likely fix. And so you can clearly see the difference between the current model and the new one that will be available soon. Take a look at some of the videos that were created using Seance 2. Pay attention to the motion, the stability, and the camera behavior, because this is where the real difference starts to show.
Oh, come on.
I truly believe that this new model is going to be one of the best AI models for creating action videos and fast motion scenes, especially when it comes to high energy content. I hope you truly benefited from this video and maybe even discovered a new online income opportunity that you can start today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a new video very soon. Goodbye.